Next question is, suppose that per capita GDP of India and USA are growing at annual average rates of 8.8% and 1.8% respectively. Further, consider that in 2019-20 per capita GDP of USA was 41,099 dollars and that of India was $1,570. Okay, assuming that the two countries continue to grow at the above rates, we assume that they will grow with the given rates, that is 8.8% at 1.8%. Okay, then India's per capita GDP will be equal to per capita GDP of USA in how many years? That means in how many years will be the per capita GDP of India equal to the per capita GDP of America. Okay, so how do we solve this question? Let us see what is the USA. We are being given the growth rate of USA is 1.8%. Okay, and per capita, so let me write here, per capita GDP or income of USA is being given as 41099. Okay, and similarly for India we are being given as growth rate is 8.8%, 8.8%, and per capita GDP or per capita income is equal to $1,570. We need to see after how many years will be the per capita of India equal to the per capita of USA. Okay, so for that, what will we write? Let us say after n years. Okay, let us say after n years, per capita income of USA is equal to per capita income of India. Okay, so I'm just assuming after n years their per capita income will be equal. Okay, assuming that they grow at 8.8 at 1.8 percent annually. Okay, now so after n years what will be the per capita of USA? Simple thing. So per, let me write it here, per capita income of USA after n years will be equal to, so let me write, that is equal to 41099. That is our original amount. To this we multiply 1 plus 0.018. Okay, raise power n. Okay, after n years per capita income of USA will be equal to this very stuff. Okay, so this is the growth equation, growth formula, which we use in the compound interest rate also. Okay, so this is our what we call principal amount. Okay, this is the number of years, this denotes the growth rate. Okay, similarly for India, what will be the per capita income? Per capita income after n years will be equal to, so we have here 1570. That is our original amount, or in this case original per capita income. To this we multiply 1 plus the growth rate of India is being given as 8.8%. When we write it in terms of decimals, this will be equal to 0.088. Okay, raise power n. Okay, so we are assuming that after n years their per capita income will be equal to, that means we can just equate these two equations. That means how can I write it, like per capita income of USA after n years, okay, will be equal to per capita income of India. Okay, that means this is our per capita income of USA after n years. So we write 41099. So if we add up this step, this comes out to be 0.088 raised power n should be equal to per capita income of India after n years, that is 1570. And if we add these two, sorry, I have done a mistake here. This is 0 point, sorry, 1.018, 1.018. Okay, so here we have 1 plus, sorry, let me add up this one and this decimal portion. This comes out to be 1.088 raised power n here. Okay, now just transpose this term to LHS. So we have 41099 upon 1570, and transposing this term to RHS. Okay, so we have 1.088 raised power n divided by 1.018 raised power n. Okay, and this can be written like this. So if we divide this stuff, this will come out to be 26.178 should be equal to, and here it can be written like this, 1.088 upon 1.018 whole raised power n. Okay, so if we divide this stuff, so we have 1.069 raised power n is equal to 26.178. Okay, now we take a log on both sides. That means this n will become coefficient, so we have n log 1.069 is equal to log of 26.178. okay, which comes out to be, we have n here, log of this 1.069 comes out to be 0.029. okay, and log of 26.178, it comes out to be 1.418. okay, that means our n will be equal to 1.418 upon 0.029, which comes out to be 48.89. okay, if we divide this stuff, we will get 48.89. that means after a 48.89 years, per capita GDP of India will be equal to the per capita GDP of USA. okay,